Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix T-Mobile 5G not working on your phone, troubleshoot network and APN settings. To fix T-Mobile 5G issues, verify your APN is set to //tmobile.com and ensure 5G is enabled in network settings. If data is still broken, toggle airplane mode or perform a network reset to force refresh your tower connection. Fix 1. Configure T-Mobile 5G APN settings. For Android, open Settings and select Connections on Network and Internet. Then from there, go to Mobile Networks and then go to Access Point Names. Then tap Add or edit your current profile and enter these values. Name T-Mobile US LTE, APN fast.tmobile.com, MMSC http://tmobile.com. APN type default SUPL MMS. APN protocol IPv6. APN roaming protocol IPv4. Then tap the three-dot menu and select Save. For iOS, open Settings on your iPhone and tap Cellular, then go to Cellular Data option. Now look for and tap Cellular Data Network. Note, if this option does not appear on your screen, it means T-Mobile has completely logged manual editing for your plan. Move down to the workaround steps. Then under the cellular data section, tap the APN text field and type exactly fast.tmobile.com. Leave username and password blank. Then scroll down to the personal hotspot section and type the exact same value, fast.tmobile.com, into the APN field to ensure tethering functions correctly. Swipe up or click back to save automatically. The primary reason you need to check or modify the access point name APN for T-Mobile 5G troubleshooting is to force your phone to recognize the proper network gateway. Fast.tmobile.com if its automatic network profile becomes corrupted or outdated. Fix 2. Force the 5G network mode. On Android, go to Settings, then go to Connections. From there, go to Mobile Network, and then go to Network Mode. From there, select 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G, Auto Connect. On iPhone, go to Settings, then go to Cellular, then go to Cellular Data Options, then go to Voice and Data, and select 5G On or 5G Auto. Fix 3. Core Network Troubleshooting. First, toggle Airplane Mode. Swipe down or up to access your control panel iOS, quick settings on Android. Then toggle airplane mode on for 15 seconds and then toggle it off. This forces your device to reconnect to the nearest cell tower. Fix 5. Execute a targeted network setting reset. Perform a network reset. On iOS, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then go to Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. For Android, go to Settings, then go to System or General Management. Then tap on Reset Options and select Reset Network Settings. Note, the steps might vary based on Android brands and models. Third, update carrier settings. Connect your phone to a stable Wi-Fi network. Now, on iPhone, navigate to Settings, then go to General, then go to About. Stay on this page for 15 seconds. If a prompt titled Carrier Settings Update appears, tap on Update. On Android, navigate to Settings, then go to Software Update and download any pending system patches. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.